Okay, what's up mga tihik? Natakaroon dire sa SM because we will be joining an event. It's for the Tactical Survival and Arms Expo 2019 and murag first time ako to join in this kind of event. So later, um, we'll just see unsay na added to and hope we can have some more ideas for tactical and survival tips in this activity today. So for the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. Up sa SM City Trade Hall and I think need pa ta mag register. So we'll see. I'm actually waiting for Army kay murag nagsabot me online to be here, but I think she's somewhere else. So for the meantime, ako lang sa and right here mag-register sa tasang booth. I'll just take some paper here and register. Hello. Okay. Okay, so we're done with the registration and magpa-stamp na ta for us to get inside. Okay, so I got my stamp and we're now getting inside. Good afternoon. Okay. Guns and a lot more gears. So maglibot-libot sa dire and we'll see what's available in this expo. Into some demo about how to use the guns. So let's see.
Tataluin ako o tatagayin ako. So automatic yung kamay ko nandila sa bukasan ng bag ko. Pag umapak siya, bumubukas na to. See? Bumubukas na siya. Sinasabayan ko na. Pag palo niya kayo dito, akala na dito tatamaan, umalis na ako. Pag lampas niya, lampas, lampas kayo ako dito. Let's say, hindi ako masinta, diba? Ito ka, tinamaan ko lang sa kamay. Papalo ulit, patanggalin ko lang ito. Pangalitan ko lang ulit. Correct. So, yung gun training natin, actually, nakita ko mali. Dapat, pag punta ko dito, babalik siya dito, diba? So, we go from an extension to compress ready. Then I can shoot from here. Bang, 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 bang. Yes.
Okay, so we're now approaching the booth of our uniformed personnel. We have AFP, Philippine Air Force, and AFP, Philippine Army, and of course, Philippine Navy. So at my back is the Philippine Air Force booth. So nasa sila yung mga gears for rescue, and we also have here Philippine Army, AFP, and on this side we have the Philippine Navy. So later we will try on some of this um, guns. Wala lang, try lang so isuway. And we'll see. I've heard na medyo bugat daw, but we'll just try it on. Okay, so very briefly earlier, we tried on the Kevlar helmet and the rifle. So, for the helmet, medyo bugat siya, and ang rifle, okay lang sa. So, which is something nice. So, we'll continue to roam around the venue and see what other booths we can discover. And let's see. Okay, so while we go around, no, so let's just talk about how I knew of this event. So it was actually Army who, I think, selected, interested in going to this event. So it appeared on the news feed, and I also find it interesting. So, ito siya, aray na lang yun po diri sa SM Trade Hall today. And very interesting ang mga booth. So daghan kayo mga tactical gears and mga other mga gamit for survival and mga other katulad mga arms and ammunition. So muna siya. And one also thing I'm interested in is ang katong mga booth sa atong armed personnel or uniformed men. Because I think way back 2000, early 2000, I am interested into seeing the AFP modernization because as we all know, naman jud kanang very obsolete na itong mga gamit sa AFP. And so when I think it was during Ninoy Aquino's time when they started to really give extra effort to help our Department of Defense to beef up their assets. And so I started to create a page that's called Rise PH. So it's dedicated to echo mga news about AFP modernization, mga other activities related to our uniformed personnel. So if you have a chance to be online, so just type in your Facebook account, Rise PH, Rise, R-I-S-E space P-H. So, moto akong page, one of my pages na akong gi-manage. It talks about Philippine economy and anything about Philippines. So, that's one thing I'm into if I have kanang wala ko ilain buhaton. So, tulog mga gihapon ta diri sa SM City Trade Hall, and it's very great to see these people, enthusiasts sa mga guns. Alright, so Again, we'll just continue to roam around. I think, if I'm not mistaken, if I've heard it right earlier, ang katong Philippine Navy is also kato ilang booth is also a recruitment hub. So if anybody is interested to join the Philippine Navy, so they may submit their application form, and I think feeling ako yung initial interview in that area. So to those who are interested, so continue to pursue your passion and be of service to our country. And since today is their last day, you may visit their official Facebook pages, and I think they will display or post information there about their recruitment activities. So for the meantime, sorry lang sa so see you later. Nara siya, muna siya nag-invite. Nitry ka ato?
Wala po. Alit, try ta. Maay!
So, akong gi-invite si Army to try on katong mga gear sa Philippine Navy.
Alright.
So, try na ko earlier. Bugat ang helmet, but carry ra ang rifle.
Okay.
So, it's her turn now.
Pwede mo try, sir. Yay!
Welcome to my channel.
Hello,
Hi, this is Alfred. Welcome to my channel.
Bugat sa.
Bugad siya.
Konti.
Alright. Ano? So,
Okay. So, she's getting ready. So, ako lang nang saning ibutang kay mag-picture sa ako niya. Wait sa ha. One, two, three. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I-check daw. Enough na.
Very nice, sir. Thank
Ah.
you.
So, how's the experience?
It was good.
No, Chip. Try
Mabigat
again.
yun? Mabigat talaga. Try.
So, Army will try the machine gun.
Let's see if I can do this.
Monster! Wow.
So,
Are you right-handed?
right-handed. Do the same. Good!
Bugat. Before.
Heavily.
Okay. So, picture may balik.
Okay. Thank you.
Binuhangi kayo.
Thank you, sir.
So, we tried on the machine gun. Bugat siya. So, muna lang dalhon-dalhon whenever they go to battle. So, hindi siya lalim. And so, we always thank them for their service to our country, right? So, I think that's it for now. Sorry sa amin. Nakita ra jud. Bye-bye.